The COUNTIF function is similar to the count function in that it is counting specifically cells with numbers in them. So the COUNTIF function essentially allows us to count numbered cells where the numbers meet a specific criteria. So for example, let's pretend for a minute that the manager of this company wants to know how many sales entries have a sales amount higher than 40. So our COUNTIF function is going to go through all of the amounts and look for any amounts that are above 40 and count them for us. To create this function in Excel, we would once again begin with the equal sign and then write out our function, COUNTIF, and then in the parentheses we have two pieces of information that we need to know in order to create a COUNTIF. First, we want to know the range that our numbers are located in. And second, we want to know the criteria for counting the numbered cells in that range. So in our example, we wanted to know the amounts that are greater than 40. So where are our amounts located? The amounts are in column C, specifically C2 to C5. So our range we would go counting in is C2 to C5. The criteria we're looking for is anything greater than 40, and we would use the mathematical symbol greater than. However, anytime we use mathematical symbols in our criteria, Excel requires us to put these in quotation marks or they won't work. So if you try this on your own and you get an error message, it's probably because your amount has a mathematical symbol and is not in quotation marks. So we're going to put quotation marks around greater than 40 so that it will calculate correctly. Now if you're using just a regular number, like I want to know how many are equal to 40, then I wouldn't need the quotation marks. But if I am using a mathematical symbol like greater than, it must be in quotations. So now we have created a COUNTIF function that will look for any cells that are in the range C2 to C5 that have a number greater than 40. And it will count those and give me a total number of cells that meet that criteria. So let's take a look at what this would look like in Microsoft Excel. So here we have that same table again in Microsoft Excel, and we're going to create a COUNTIF function. To do that, we begin with the equal sign, write out our function, open a parenthesis, and then we need to select the range that our numbered cells are located in. So here are our numbered cells, C2 to C5. Then we'll press comma to move to our next criteria. And the criteria for this count is anything greater than 40, but we're going to put that in quotations since we have a mathematical symbol. We're looking for something greater than 40. Close the quotations and close our parentheses. Now if I hit enter, it tells me that there are exactly two cells in that range that have an amount greater than 40. And that would be 41 and 52. So we can see that our function functions properly. And that is how to create a COUNTIF function in Microsoft Excel.